everybody. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Candy and this is my son Harrison, and today I'm going to cut his messy hair. So it's been a while since we've been in quarantine and we can't get to our normal stylist, so it's getting a little bit crazy. I have cut their hair before, but they've always gotten like one length all over because I've always been a little bit afraid to try to do anything more. So I'm going to try to give him a similar haircut to what he has now, just a whole lot shorter. Do you want to say anything to him, Harrison? You want to say hi?
Hi.
And tell him your name?
My name is Harrison.
How old are you?
4.
4 years old.
I'm 4 years old.
Alright, Mommy's going to cut your hair, huh? Okay, let me go wet my hair. Alright mamas, just wanted to jump on here really quickly and explain what I'm doing. So I wet down Harrison's hair, I separated it out into sections and then started whacking away on it. And I'm going to say whacking because if you can tell by this, I don't really know what I'm doing, but you know what? I was going for it and there was no way that I was going to be defeated by his hair. So I just wanted to tell y'all to not follow this as a tutorial, but more of a, hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. So let's cut this hair. Get all that hair off.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell me a story? You got any good stories?
Good story.
Good stories. Mommy tells you stories. You got any stories?
I don't know.
It's on your booty. You don't know?
Can you know what are my stories?
Yeah. Want me to tell you a story?
Yeah.
Once upon a time, there was a little worm named Herman. And Herman, he's this little big guy. Look down. Look down, like bend your neck down.
Can we do a little go out the forest? There was a wolf.
Oh, you want the little girl at the forest? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Little Red Riding Hood. And she lived in the forest. One day, she wanted to take a parcel of goodies to her grandma's house. So Little Red Riding Hood set out with her basket. Her mother told her, "You must stay on the path, or you might encounter the big bad wolf." The Little Red Riding Hood was skipping along, not paying attention, when she came upon the big bad wolf. And the wolf said, "Little Red Riding Hood, where are you going?"
And then he hit the boxes on him.
He hit the boxes.
No. He hit the basket on his head.
He hit the basket on his head? Wow, that was a different version than I knew. Alright, so Little Red Riding Hood bopped that wolf with her basket and ran off. So that wolf knew that she was going to her grandma's house. So he hurried on ahead. And when he got to the grandma's house, he gobbled her up and put on her nightgown.
No.
Nope. Oh, there's another version?
Yeah.
Look all the way down. Look at your knees. Bend down all the way. Don't move.
You lift the wolf and huff and blow the house.
Oh, that's 2 different stories, bud. That is the 3 Little Pigs. Alright, we're going to brush your hair and then wet it again, okay? So this part I still haven't touched. That's looking good. This down here, we're getting pretty close to the right length. I need to God, y'all see that over his ears? Definitely need to touch up around your ears. But the back, I think we're getting there. I think I need to go a little bit shorter, really close to your neck, take a little bit off here. And I think that we are done with the back.
Ooh, let's do the wolf. He lost his teeth.
The wolf lost his teeth.
That's where the piggies, and they're scared.
Oh. Well, and 3 little piggies, the wolf keeps his teeth. He don't lose his teeth.
Yes, he does. It's called missing and finding.
Missing and finding. Okay. Well, I'm glad that you pay attention to these stories. So obviously, Mama has not been reading the right versions, huh? Okay, our camera died. So I don't know where we were when that ended, but I went around with a little bit of a shorter one, just around like the base of his neck, just to like better fade that in. Now I'm gonna go around on the top, because I wanna keep the top kind of long and just see what we can do with scissors and a comb. Now these are not hair cutting scissors, but we're gonna do the best we can, aren't we, baby? Forget why you're supposed to cut at an angle. I think I saw on some tutorial thing that you cut on an angle. So that's what I'm trying to do. We'll see. If we end up having to shave you bald, will you be okay with that, Harrison? You want to be bald? Huh? Can I shave your head? And you have no hair? Or do you like hair?
I like hair.
Do you like your long hair or you like it short?
I like it short.
Yeah. I think it's hot and makes you sweat, huh? Baby, stay still. Alright, there you go. Does your hair look better? He's over this. I'm so glad he let me cut his hair though. I don't know what happened to my camera while I was filming. It might have gone off, it might have didn't. I don't even know how much of that I got. But I just wanted to let y'all mamas know, don't be intimidated to cut your baby's hair. You can do it. Watch a couple of videos, and if you mess it up, oh well. They'll forgive you for messing up their hair. You can always shave it off and start over. Especially little boys, right? Do you want to tell them bye-bye?
Bye.
Oh my goodness. Can I show them your hair all the way around? But I think we did pretty good. Here, show them maybe. There's the back of it. We did pretty good there. Around the ears, he would not let me use the really close razor. And then there's the front. And usually we go even shorter in the front, but I like it kind of long the way it is. I might take off a little bit more on the side, but I think it looks super cute. Do you think you look handsome? Yeah. All right, well that is it, guys. I will see y'all in the next one. I will have another video up either on Monday or Friday, whichever one is coming to you next, and I will see you on that one, guys. Bye.